Hey everyone, welcome to viaSocket. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up an automated workflow that adds a new row in Google Sheet whenever a new card is created in Miro. Let's get started. First, head over to the website. Sign in using your Google account. Once you are in, click on Create New Flow to start building your automation. Next, select Miro as your trigger application. Choose New Card as the trigger event. If you already have a connection set up, simply select it. If not, add New Connection. Select your team and connect viaSocket to your Miro account. Once connected, specify the board name you want to use. Click Test to verify the connection. If the test is successful, click Create. The flow will run at intervals such as 5, 10 or 15 minutes based on your configuration. Now, let's move on to the next step. Select Google Sheet as your action application and choose Add New Row as the action. Connect your Google Sheet account using your email. Choose the appropriate spreadsheet and sheet. Now, map the required data fields to the corresponding column names. Click Test to ensure everything is working as expected. If the test is successful, go ahead and click Create. Now, let's test the entire flow. Let us check if the new row has been created in the Google Sheet. And there it is. The row has been successfully added. Once you are satisfied, click Publish Changes to activate the flow. From now on, whenever a new card is created in Miro, your Google Sheet will be updated automatically. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more automation tutorials.